Hello guys, namaste to everyone and welcome back to another vlog. So a very happy Independence Day to everyone, and I'm here on my terrace and there are flags all around me. So I wanted to do a motovlog in the morning, but there was a little bit of rain. The rain is on and off, and this is my terrace garden here. So a lot of stuff growing, not a lot but at least a little bit. We have some lady's finger here, nice really tall lady's fingers growing, okra, and we have some tomatoes coming up and a few flowering plants here and there. So a little bit of mint here. All the garden is in shatters because of the monsoons. You know, it's coming and going and it's all over the place. So let's go down. I'm gonna show you the place where I do my editing and stuff. So yeah, let's go. So this is one of my floors. I have a lot of plants growing here and there. This one is called as Radha Manohar, and it's really beautiful. It has flowers everywhere with a couple of fishes. And this is my space where I like chill and work out. And this is my another room. I got a TD table here. That's the space where I do my prayers and meditation. And there are a couple of musical instruments. I've got this is a guitar lele. I've got a djembe here, another guitar, singing bowl, and this is a rain stick. So actually this is a place where I had my table and everything, but there's no AC installed here, so I shifted it during the summer. Got a couple of books lying around. So it's been quite some time. I got some time to do a decent motovlog or a travel vlog. The monsoons, and so this is my space. This is my I use a Mac Mini to edit my stuff, and this is all my gear. Actually I was ready to go in the morning. We had a BMW tour, like a small ride nearby. So this is my helmet, and I use a Cardo Bluetooth system, and this is another helmet. This is a Xiaomi, and this is a laser. This is my very first helmet from almost it's been there with me for about 10 years now. A couple of things lost, so I did some jugaad. Still work in process, but these are all my caps which I collected over the years. And so this is the latest cap I got. This is a Save Soil cap, and this is a GS. I got this when I went for a GS training. Another BMW cap. This is a Trident. I got it when I bought the Trident. This is when I went to Italy, and this is when I went to Innsbruck. This is when I got the watch, and this is from Switzerland. And this is a very special cap which I had. So it lights up. So it's they used to sell it in Decathlon before, but I don't see it now. There's a small battery. You can use it for the dark, at night times when you go out. And this when I went to Bandhavgarh National Park, and this is from Imagika near Lonavala. So this is my jacket and my gloves, and I lost one of the things in one of my accidents. So got a lot of stuff here. This is the visor. I don't know if you guys. This is the visor. This is what happened last time. I met with a very small accident. This is my old Parani Bluetooth headset and a lot of stuff. This is my knee guards here, and a lot of components for my motovlogging and more stuff. More motovlogging. And this is another cowboy cap or whatever. So this I bought it in South Africa, and so I never got a chance to put it on. Actually, the whole thing is made out of leather, so it gets quite hot when you put it on. That's that. And here we have a extendable holder, and I've got my skates, rollerblades. It's been quite some time, and this is the Art of Anonymous mask, or V for Vendetta. I think the actual name comes from Guy Spockies or Guy Spox or something like that. His name was. So I'm very inspired by this guy, and he actually points out a lot of oppression by the government and stuff like that. So that's me. So apart from that, so this is where I put all my stuff. And what else do we got? We've got a drone here. So you want to fly this? You want to see how it goes? So we've got a DJI Mavic, and this is the controller. This is where the phone goes inside, and I think the battery pack is pretty loaded. So the battery pack is full, so we can fly. So let's go fly some. So the drone is all set, and the phone is connected. A little bit of rain and so you can control the angle of the camera. So let's fly. Sup. So as you can see, I'm using a Django mount for an Insta360. It's so big, look at this. One of my friend borrowed my action cam. So I wanted to record something for today. I've got some time. I have a very casual relationship with YouTube. I don't have a professional one. So whenever I get time and patience to carry such a big load, just kidding. I actually have fun doing all this. It's more of a challenge and a good pastime actually, and it increased a lot of my skill and so many things. So yeah, here we are. So we've got a big beast there waiting for us. So I'm not gonna take the beast out today. So it's been about 10 days, but been quite busy with things, so I had to ride in the morning. So I kept the gloves here. I already completed around 200 kilometers. So just getting the hang of it. I didn't even apply for the number plate yet. So just made it a little more black here. And a nice PPF done already. So a few bubbles here and there which have to go. It'll go with the sun. So let's see. So I'm gonna get this guy out dirty with the rain. So Independence Day, right? I think I started my vlogging somewhere around I think maybe Republic Day or something. I don't quite remember. So I hope it has a little bit of fuel. Aprilia, nothing fancy, just wearing my slippers and getting out. And put can't get my eyes off it. So let's go. So there are flags all over the place. Okay, happy Independence Day. Forget the road, just stand in the middle. It's freedom time. Do everything, whatever you want. So today is a dry day. Actually, people drink to feel free. And आज तुम्हारा freedom ले लिया गया है. So hence the dry day. I think they should put the whole month as a dry day and just let people drink on to August 15th. Dry month. Make it a dry month. And Freedom Day special, 75% discount on alcohol. 75 years of independence. British had apparently looted somewhere around $45 trillion. So calculation कर लो, मतलब एक एक आदमी को 1-1 करोड़ तो मिनिमम मिलेगा. साला एक एक आदमी BMW खुद आके इधर दुकान खोल लिया. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, BMW मैन्युफैक्चर मेक इन इंडिया. $45 trillion. $1 trillion is somewhere around 1 billion crores. 1 lakh crores, sorry. Yeah, 1 lakh crore. मतलब 45 चलना. इसको देख, इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पेशल. घास खोल दो बीच सड़क में, घास की दुकान लगा दिया. और इसको देख, आ गया बीच में, इंडिकेटर नहीं कुछ नहीं, अपना ही घास है, ले लो. हो गया ना, मेक इन इंडिया ग्रास. वांट टू ट्राई सम मैक ग्रास, grass fed beef sold in the US, made in India. So looks like the traffic is a little less. Actually, one of my friend had borrowed my action cam, so the helmet is a little coming down because of the weight. Roads are empty. I wish I could have. I should have taken out the BM. Okay, I am calling my BMW 1250 GS as, like, I am going to name it as Brew, B-R-E-W, Brew. So Brew, not Hebrew, Brew. Brew is I think it's one of the, it's named after one of the fastest horses in the world. I think it's there was some Toro Brew or something like that. What was that? Some brew. I remember as Brew. So Brew is missing out today's ride. Brew is not here with us today. So हर जगह झंडे गाड़ दिए.